how to make liquid soap at home. Okay, how to make liquid soap under 30 minutes. Inside a bucket of water, you pour 5 liters of water. Okay, first step, you pour 5 liters of water into a bucket, then you start adding your chemicals. First, I'm adding my soda ash. Okay, you first pour in your soda ash into the bowl, 5 liters of water, then you add your STPP. Okay, yes, this is inside the 5 liters of water. We're adding 3 chemicals, soda ash. Now I'm adding my STPP. Then after adding my STPP, I will now add my SLX. So SLX gives a grainy like texture like rice. Okay, it doesn't melt immediately you put it inside the water. Now these 3 chemicals inside the bowl, 15 liters of water, I'm gonna stir. Okay, stir them very, very well. But while stirring it, you will notice that it is not dissolving very well because of the SLS that is grainy like rice. Okay, so we're going to leave that to sit for like 15 to 20 minutes so that the SLS can dissolve in very well. So now these are 3 chemicals I put inside 5 liters of water, and I'm going to keep it aside to dissolve while I do the next mixture. Okay, so before I'm done with the other mixture, it should get me to like 15 to 20 minutes. Then I combine them together and pour them together. So you stir very, very well, stir these 3 chemicals very, very well, then you put them aside to dissolve while we treat the other mixture. Now in a bowl of water, we're going to put 20 liters of water. Now in this 20 liters of water, I'm going to be adding my NITROSOL. What I'm adding in this water is NITROSOL. Okay, inside 20 liters of water. When you put the chemical NITROSOL inside it, you start stirring. Okay, you put it inside, you stir very well. Okay, so that it can dissolve in. This one's dissolving fast. Okay, now when you stir it inside for it to dissolve in, this is like the base. Okay, the base of the soap. While we let the first chemicals to sit and dissolve in, we are going to be doing this to the 20 liters of water because we are trying to make 25 liters of soap, 25 to 30 liters, because we also added water. Okay, now after adding my NITROSOL and stirring it very well, the next I'm adding is my caustic soda, which is what I showed you guys now. Now you open your caustic soda and pour it into the NITROSOL 20 liters of water. When you put it inside, you start stirring it. Okay, stir very well so that the mixtures can combine very well. Okay, now after adding this, the next you're going to put is your TEXAPONE. What I'm showing you guys now is my TEXAPONE. You put it into the 20 liters of water. Some people actually put this in a different bowl and mix it with the sulfuric acid, but this is how we do ours. Okay, we put it directly into the base, which is the NITROSOL and the caustic soda. Okay, next we add our sulfuric acid. That's what this is. This is the sulfuric acid. You add it inside. Some people mix their sulfuric acid and the TEXAPONE in a different bowl, mix it, then pour it into their 20 liters of water. But everything is just going directly into the 20 liters of water, and you mix very, very well. Everything is going to still give the same results. Okay, so when you have added your sulfuric acid, you stir very well so that there is this consistency we're expected to get from this mixture, like a slimy consistency. You know how liquid soap can be, so this is the start of it. Okay, this is the start of this, that base that gives it that sliminess. That is what we are getting here. The water is already getting slimy. You can notice that the foam is not even much because this is the base, which is the sliminess of a liquid soap. Okay, now mind you, we still left the first mixture aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're going to try mixing the coloring. What I'm showing you guys here now is the coloring. Okay, it comes in different colors. It can come in lemon green, navy green, yellow, pink. But what we have, the color we are using here is the lemon green. So you put it in the different bowl to dissolve the color very, very well before you pour it into your mixture. Okay, that's what we are doing here. We actually changed the 20 liter bucket we are using because that one was not going to be enough when we mix everything together. So we actually brought a 50 liters of buckets. Okay, so that's why we changed the bucket so that everything can enter very well. Now after mixing your coloring, it's now time to add the soda ash, the first chemical we kept aside in the 5 liters of water. Okay, after mixing your coloring very, very well, you keep it, and then you add our first mixture, our first chemical, which is the soda ash, the STPP, and the SLS. By now it's up to 20 minutes, so it has dissolved. Now we mix them together, which is what we did here. Okay, so you guys can see now this is actually more than 25 liters. Okay, this is more than 25. He added, let me say 27 liters. That's why we changed the first bucket we were using, because that one would not be enough. Next, you pour in your foam booster. What I just poured in now is the foam booster. This is going to boost the foam. Okay, it's going to help the soap to become more foamy. Yes, more foamy. Now that's what we do. When you pour your foam booster, you start mixing. Okay, the technique in soap making is mixing. You have to stir so that everything gets in line. The consistency we are looking for, we get it, and everything is just mixed together. There are no particles or the ones that didn't dissolve. So you have to stir very, very well. In anything you pour, you stir. So after adding our foam booster, we're now going to put our color. Okay, we're going to add our color now to give the color of this liquid soap we want. Now this is, I just added the coloring, and see the color it gave me a lemon green. Okay, it depends on any color they can give you, it doesn't really matter. Okay, you can use any color you like. If you like pink, you can use pink. If you like blue, you can use blue. Okay, so I'm using lemon. My coloring gave me lemon green here. So when you mix it together, remember to also stir. We keep on stirring. Stir very, very well. You will notice that the soap is now getting so slimy, like it's now slimy, very thick, slimy consistency. Next, I'm adding my perfume. Guys, the perfume already poured out inside the nylon, because this is what we got. This is how I got it. So it's already poured out, but my mom insisted that she's going to put it inside like that. Even the nylon the fragrance was there. So we just threw the nylon inside there. Okay, if your perfume should pour out, put it inside there. The smell is still going to enter. So that's what we did. We just threw the nylon into the soap and we started stirring. Guys, can you see the consistency of this? The foam is now, the bubbles are coming out, is now getting more foamy. Okay, and the consistency is getting thicker and thicker and thicker. This is a very easy 30 minutes way to make your liquid soap at home. Okay, and guys, every product we use there, the chemicals we use to make this did not even cost us more than 8,000 naira. From where the vendor we got it from, 8,000 naira, and we're able to get more than 25 liters of soap. Do you know how much this will be like outside? With 8,000 naira, we have a soap that liquid soap we can use for like 3 months. This is going to last us for 3 months. And we use this for so many things, okay? So you stir very, very well, so that because we want to achieve a consistency, okay? We stir very well so it gets more thicker, and the foaming comes out, and then the chemicals combined together, we dissolve them very, very much. So the technique of making a soap is that you have to stir very, 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 very well. Okay, some people actually stir until there is no foaminess in the soap, but there's no time for that. We don't have time for that. So what we do is that we keep it aside. After stirring, that we know we've combined the chemicals very, very well. You have to just keep it aside, cover it, before the next day the foaming will go. Do you get? We are checking how much we got. So it was more than 25 liters. Okay, we made more than 25 liters of soap actually. So we are going to cover this. By tomorrow, the foam you guys are seeing here will be gone, and the soap will just be plain soap. So we're going to carry it inside. Then it's best to do this outdoor, because we are dealing with chemicals. Okay, we are mixing chemicals together, so do this outside. So guys, by tomorrow my soap will be ready, the foaminess will be gone, and it's ready to use. Hi guys, good morning. How do you guys do? So this is actually early in the morning, okay, and we want to prepare liquid soap in my house, but I decided to film the process so that you guys can just learn how to do it. So yeah, so to actually prepare the liquid soap we use in our house, okay, because buying liquid soap outside is kind of a waste of money. So what we naturally do is we go to the market, we buy and we prepare liquid soap that will last us for like 3 weeks to 1 month. If we use it very, very, if the house is filled up, 1 month. If the house is not filled up, we can get us to like 2 months before we make another one, or even 3 months, depending on how you use it. Okay, so yeah, in this video I'm going to show you guys how we prepare liquid soap in my house. This liquid soap we prepare in like 25 5 liters or 30 liters, okay? And we use it to wash plates, we use it to mop the house, we use it to wash clothes sometimes. Yes, we can use it to soak clothes and wash it, and it will foam very well and lather very well. Okay, so yeah, if you are looking for whatever business you want to do, you can actually venture into soap making business by watching this video to the last. Okay, if you want to monetize it, you can start preparing it and start selling it. And if you have a big family, because we have a full family in this house, we have a full house. If you have a full house and you don't want to be spending money buying soaps, you can actually be preparing the soap you'll be using in your house. The products that they use to make this soap is not more than 8,000 naira. Yes, it's not more than 8,000 naira. So I'm going to show you guys the ingredients we use in making this soap. We use to wash cars. Yes, we use to wash cars. Anything washable, we use our liquid soap to do it. Yeah, we use liquid soap for many things. Okay, watch this video to the last. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.